Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your Ubuntu release and updating packages so dependencies install cleanly. Next, make sure you have a desktop environment. If the machine is headless, install Ubuntu Desktop. Once done, open your firewall settings and allow the remote port 3389 for RDP or 5900 for VNC, because the remote client needs a reachable endpoint. Make sure user accounts exist, and note that administrative privileges are required. Run the install and port commands with sudo. Now you install the remote server software, for example XRDP for native RDP support or Tiger VNC for VNC access, because each protocol has different clients and performance. After installation, configure the session script, edit/etc/xrdp/stardom. sh or the VNC X startup file to launch the same desktop environment you tested locally. Then set a strong user password. Enable the service with systemctl enable now XRDP, and check status so the service starts on boot and is running before you attempt a connection. Finally, connect from your client using the server IP and port. Windows Remote Desktop works with XRDP, and Remina or Vinegar work on Linux. If you're on an untrusted network, create an SSH tunnel or use a VPN for encryption, because plain RDP or VNC can be exposed. If the connection fails, inspect logs like /var/log/xrdp. Log. Verify firewall rules and SE Linux/AppArmor contexts, and ensure your user has a valid shell and home directory permissions. Those often block sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.